रही हूँ इन्फिनिटी मॉल जो कि है अंधेरी में। मेरे पिछले व्लॉग में आप मेरे साथ चले थे इन इनॉर्बिट मलाड एंड इन्फिनिटी मलाड। उस वक्त वो दोनों मॉल्स खुले थे और ये वाला जो था बंद था। इनफैक्ट ये अभी अभी खुला, इट्स बिन जस्ट 2 or 3 days। मैं वहां पे जाने वाली हूँ और मैं ऑल्सो जाऊंगी वहां पे नायका लक्स में। और मेरे साथ आप चलिए मॉल में, लेट अस सी क्या क्या मिल रहा है, क्या क्या है एंड व्हाट ऑल इज द सिचुएशन लाइक। मुझे पता है कि मेरी प्लस स्टिल स्कैर्ड टू गो, लेकिन वो लोगों का जो सैनिटेशन लेवल है वो काफी हाई है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गो देयर, चेक आउट द स्टफ एंड आप भी चलिए मेरे साथ। सो लेट्स गो। One swatch. This is the darker one, right?
That's a medium one.
This is going to be very dark.
Forgot that. I suggested this one.
New launches.
Sure. We have it new launch.
This is the Huda Beauty. I have these. What are these? Eyeshadows, right?
Yeah.
This is the eyeshadow range.
This also we have a new launch. A sketch pen and plus kajal. Can I?
Yeah, sure. Sketch pen and kajal. That sounds
Like
good.
a liquid liner. I can swatch from my hand.
You can't
I
swatch
just
it.
show
Yeah. Just show it. Right. I keep forgetting.
This one.
Okay. Huda's got very good stuff. Which is why I want a nice.
We have two kind of.
Oh, it's both. It's dual
Yeah.
sides.
Yes, a dual side.
So this is dual side. It's here as well as here. Right. Today is a day or two later. So ये वीडियो जब आप जाएगा, फिल्म 2 videos and I'm going to now show you कि मैं उस जो मॉल में गई थी आपके साथ अभी मैं वहाँ से क्या लाई हूँ। All these things I got from that नायका शोरूम। और मैं आपको थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन देती हूँ इन जस्ट पासिंग, बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी एक पूरा का पूरा शॉपिंग व्लॉग किया हुआ है विच आई विल लिंक अप हियर एंड उसमें मैंने सारे डिटेल्स दिए हैं। सो लाइक दे आर हैविंग अ वेरी नाइस वे ऑफ स्टेरिलाइजिंग। आरोग्य सेतु ऐप आपको डाउनलोड करके रखना है, याद कीजिएगा। सो एनीवेज दिस स्टोर विच आई वेंट टू विच इज इन इन्फिनिटी मॉल इन अंधेरी इज द नायका लक्स। और जो इन ऑर्बिट में है दैट इज द प्लेन वाला नायका, तो वहाँ पे जो है हाई एंड ब्रांड्स नहीं है, लेकिन जो नायका लक्स है इन इन्फिनिटी मॉल इन अंधेरी they carry all the high-end brands. So the first things I'm going to show you, they're not too many, but जो भी है, these are like, this is from the Lux store, so this stuff is expensive. Like, okay, fine. So the first thing I will show you is this Cali Kissed Smashbox का जो face palette है. Now this face palette is so gorgeous कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. Like literally I am in love with it. ये पहले literally मुझे, I was having two minds about purchasing it, लेकिन the sales girls convinced me otherwise. So it comes with this transparent plastic to protect it. This is the real palette. So beautiful, like I just can't. Just look at the colors. Okay. So guys, this is matte. These are two blushes जो आते हैं. So these are both matte. These are 3 highlighters and this is a very very beautiful pink shimmery shade. ये real में थोड़ा bronzy है, but camera पे it's picking up very very pink for some reason. लेकिन in real life it's very very pretty. इसको एक छोटा सा आपको swatch दिखाती हूँ. इसकी pigmentation and it's got quite a bit of glimmer in it. So there. Can you see that? The camera is picking up the glitter, I hope. So it's a very very, you can use this as an eyeshadow also. It's very pretty. I don't know, ये यहाँ बहुत bronzy लग रहा है, कैमरा में pink लग रहा है. But and this shade, this camera is just not picking up the real shades. This is very very dark and a very beautiful shade. मैं try करती हूँ दूसरे फ़ोन से आपको दिखाने की. But each and every shade is gorgeous. जो pink वाला है, it's like a shimmer. And that will look so beautiful when you just apply it on your eyes like eyeshadow. It has the most beautiful shimmer going on. So that was that. The Cali Kissed palette is from Smashbox. Okay, the next thing I got is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. तो ये जो है आपको नायका ऑनलाइन पे भी मिल जाएगा. This is the smaller version, the travel size. This is for $1,050, and I don't have to tell you much about this particular mascara. This is like one of the best mascaras there is out there. And the great thing is कि छोटे छोटे travel size pack में है. So if you can't afford the big one or you want to just try it before you invest in the big one, you get a chance to, like, you know, try it out in these small little packs. So that was that. The other thing I got is this beautiful Tickle highlighter from Benefit. ये इतना pretty है. The Benefit packing तो I don't have to tell you guys about. It's so beautiful. और this is, it comes with a little brush inside it. एक छोटा सा brush है ऐसा, which is it's good if you, like, you know, just want to use it for, like, you know, couple of times. I don't know ये ज़्यादा लंबा चलेगा या नहीं, but my Hoola brush is really doing well. So that's that. And एक छोटा सा आता है pamphlet in which just, you know, like सारे languages में लिखा हुआ है कि what exactly the product is. So it comes with a little mirror like this. अंदर है this beautiful shimmer highlighter. और इसको मैं आपको स्वॉच करके दिखाती हूँ. यह एक स्वॉच एंड यू कैन सी इट्स गॉट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गोल्डन ग्लो. ये इस तरह से लग रही है. इट्स रियली नाइस. आई थिंक ये टैन और मीडियम स्किन के लिए परफेक्ट होगी. एंड आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ स्किन टोन्स विल will be able to carry this off because इसमें गोल्ड पना है. इट्स गॉट लाइक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ गोल्ड इन इट्स लाइक रियली रियली लवली. अच्छा, इसका मैं आपको अपडेट दे दूंगी आफ्टर यूजिंग अ लिटिल बिट, कितना वेयर कर रही है, क्या कर रही है. आई जस्ट गिव इट इन माय इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज या फिर ऑन माय यूट्यूब स्टोरीज. सो इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल हाईलाइट आई हैव सीन. एक्चुअली आई एम ऑल ओवर द प्लेस टुडे गाइस, सो सॉरी अबाउट दैट. तो एक चीज़ और मैंने ली है विच इज़ द नेचुरल Too Faced palette. Now this is a palette I have like been loving. मैं इसको पहले काफ़ी रिसर्च किया है फिर जाके खरीदा because this shit is expensive. ये है कुछ 3,900 यानी with taxes to 400-4,000 के ऊपर ही होता है. Because if the price says 3,990 या जो भी हो, remember उस पर 200-300 रुपये टैक्स लगते हैं. So this is a Too Faced natural palette. लेकिन मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत रिसर्च किया and it comes like this. इसका जो पैकेजिंग है that's just like a perfume bottle. So ये ऐसे खुलता है पहले and inside is this lovely gold thing. Let me just show this to you. And इसके साथ एक पाउच भी फ्री आता है which I'll just show you in a second. So this is the most gorgeous thing. और इसके अंदर आएगी palette. The shades in this palette are so beautiful. और इसकी beauty ये है कि it will not make you look overdone. It's going to just give you a very, like a very natural look. Along with that palette, they gave me a free pouch. ये है the free pouch they gave me. It's a very beautiful, very gorgeous rose gold pouch. और इस पे जो है Too Faced के वो जो hearts हैं वो embossed है and it's like really beautiful. So it's got a cute little heart over here as well. ऐसे छोटा सा cute heart है. So this is very very pretty और ये काफ़ी बड़ी भी है, as you can see. It's quite big. So the Too Faced palette comes with a little booklet, like, you know, where they show you these looks which you can make and create with the palette, and it's like such a help. That was it. Okay, yeah, one more thing is a cute little Nykaa mini lipstick, because मैंने Nykaa की कोई भी lipstick try नहीं की है, and in my previous haul one of my subscribers Neelam suggested to me कि why didn't you try Nykaa, so I took a suggestion and I am trying the Nykaa छोटी सी जो है, just in the little mini, because I really found these very cute, and this is actually very cute. Let me try and open this up, because these nails are like, oh, making everything so difficult. So any which ways, I'm going to try and open this now without breaking any nails, जो कि मेरे लिए impossible है. Okay, anyways, so here it is. So cute, it's so cute. लेकिन इसका जो color है guys, पहले मैंने इसको जब देखा, because I picked this up very randomly. These were lying on the near the cash counter, so मैंने इसको randomly pick up किया, and I was like, पता नहीं कैसी होगी. लेकिन the shade is actually, इसको मैं आपको बता रही हूँ मैं कैसे यूज़ करूँगी. It's a very कैसे बताऊँ, what do you call it? It's a very there's a word for it जो अभी आ नहीं रहा है मुझे. So it's very that kind of, it's a सिंदूरी kind of a red. और इसको मैं I would suggest, अगर आप इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, don't just like, you know, just scrub it on. This is reminding me so much of Ruby Woo. So I'll tell you why. इसको मैं इस तरह से I first just smudge it out. And can you see that it's leaving such a beautiful stain, और ये काफ़ी घंटे चली थी. So I think this will be a really good product. And Neelam, you gave me a really very good suggestion. तो ये ऐसी लग रही है मेरे हैंड पे, and after swatching it out, it's giving a very flushed look. मुझे flushed look बहुत natural पसंद है. So I'm really excited to try this. यही था, इतना ही था for my जो मैंने खरीदा है from the malls, and it is pretty safe. They are being very cautious. तो उसमें आपको डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको आरोग्य सेतु ऐप डाउनलोड करना है ज़रूर. मेरा previous vlog चेकआउट कीजिए of the Mumbai shopping malls if you intend to go. I'll link it up also and in the description down below as well. And other than that, people are not crowding much, because जिनको ज़रूरत है वही जा रहे हैं. People are not like before, जैसे पहले जाते थे just to chill, to kill time pass, you know, food court खाने. So वो सब अब नहीं है, because food court भी बंद है. So carry some food if you have kids with you. All these things मैं already बता चुकी हूँ. ये जो Infinity One है, which is अंधेरी, ये पहले बंद था. इनफैक्ट मैं यहाँ पे 2-3 दिन पहले ही गई हूँ, and ये अभी ही खुला है. It was closed. And the Infinity Mall in Malad was open, but this has also now opened. लेकिन इसमें फिर भी अभी बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है, as you saw. So a lot of work is still going on, but the mall is open, and it will probably open, a few shops more will start opening in future. So that's about it. और remember, जो Nykaa Lux store है वो Infinity One में है. It is not there in Infinity 2 में तो Nykaa शायद है ही नहीं. It's only in Inorbit, which is a plain Nykaa. They don't carry the high-end brands. So I hope this information is going to be of use to you, and I'm going to take your leave. मैंने ये वीडियो अच्छा, very happy to film it, because I cannot function with these nails, guys. Respect to the women who like function. आप कैसे कर लेते हो? So any which ways, that was everything from me. ज़रूर आप like and subscribe कीजिए इस वीडियो को. You guys don't like and subscribe it, okay? So like कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए, give me a thumbs up, तो मुझे पता चले कि you guys want more of such videos, and I'll keep on making them for you. आप thumbs up देंगे तो मुझे पता चलेगा, okay? And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and take care of yourself. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye. This is for, I think, 3,000. I'll have the prices linked I don't remember. I'll have the prices of these down below. One I took from there. The Cali Kissed palette the Cali Kissed palette is from Smashbox. Okay, then here's my nails. Oh God. So this is the most beautiful palette, like this is the most beautiful highlight I've seen. Actually I'm all over the place today, guys, so sorry about that.